This is the reality of do-it-yourself stocks investing. No holds barred.
June 2021. Dynamic insist they did nothing wrong. Fast forward April 22nd. This just in. See what they did now. The regulator was right to suspend the stock. Its auditor was right all along. Bravo. That's why I have trust issues. Breaking. This KLSE bra and panty stocks price plunged 13% in one day. Why? Out of nowhere, Malaysian authority issued a total freeze order on all its bank accounts, allegedly detecting suspicious and irregular transactions. Are you holding KLSE stocks?
Imagine how badly you will get hit. What makes it worse, you can't see it coming. On the flip side though, you may be in for accidental profits when you do not see it coming.
Breaking top 18 Bursa stocks that just skyrocketed due to what Indonesia just did here. KLK surging 16%, 13%, BLD, Sarawak Oil Palm 20%, United Plantation 14%, 24%, Hapsan 30%, Genting halfway there, Jayatiasa 12%, FGB, Belize H Plantation 13%, N9 Oil Palm 10%, Enterprise 15%, Chintech 11%, SG Bagan Rubber Sand, Sarawak Plantation 13%, Kuang Rubber almost there, ILI Corp 14%, Sime Darby Plantation.
Can fundamental and technical analysis combined help you predict these profits from stocks? You tell me. Also, be very aware when this happens because you can lose money even if you did everything right. Let me show you.
EPF taking massive profits from these stocks. Maybank, Public Bank, Sime Darby, KLK, ILI, YTL, Alliance Bank, IHB Bank, Hapsan Plantation, TSH Resources.
One more proof, here you go.
What EPF and Khazanah did with CIMB stocks recently. Sold tens of millions shares first 2 weeks of the month. Played it like nobody business. Even ASB joined it. You could be their collateral damage. Suffer losses if you didn't know and caught in between. Shockingly, they bought back again in millions after that like a boss.
How EPF single-handedly moved a stock price like a boss. Farm Fresh IPO on the 22nd of March. EPF took profit fast and furious post-IPO. Then start to buy again massively 2 weeks after that. Like nobody's business. Proof all here.
And oh, when you see this, you got triggered or not? So serious until this happened. Hey, chill lah! Why so kanchiong? Can go lower lah. But all in all, still grateful to be living in Malaysia. Here is why.
Things that make me grateful being a Malaysian. Despite weakening ringgit and political issues. See how our Singaporean friends are getting poorer due to highest inflation in a decade. Or got scammed 1 million Sing dollars life savings, oh my god. Or forced to undergo another round of lockdown. I'm not kidding, see what's happening in China. Not to mention, worst crisis in Sri Lanka. How about upgrading to refugee status overnight? Even the British purchasing power got crushed now. British pounds got devalued. Grass may look greener on other side, but is it really? Ponder over this.
Give this a like and subscribe if you have enjoyed it. More from CFU channel in the description below or in the upper right.